Hey, this is Joe from RealSuccess, and today we're going to talk about the difference between real estate goals versus strategies versus tactics. You could look at real estate investing and wealth building as climbing a mountain. And of course, you're the courageous mountain climber. The peak of the mountain is like your financial and life goals. And there are numerous milestones or sub-goals along the way. Strategies are like plans on how to climb up the mountain in the first place. They're the routes that will take you towards the peak in the fastest and safest manner. Tactics are like the climbing tools, ropes, ladders, binoculars, etc. that help you actually climb up those routes. I have many articles on real estate investing tactics, including analyzing your market, finding good deals, running the numbers, sellers, financing, negotiation techniques, and many more. But too many real estate investors get caught up in tactics without clarity on why they're using the tactics in the first place. Getting good at tactics without a strategy can simply make you better at hiking right off financial cliffs. So I first recommend getting clear on basic real estate investing goals, like financial independence or a certain number of free and clear rental properties that you might want to have. So then get clear on one or two strategies that you like. After that, all of the tactics you learn will become much more useful, and actually you can apply them on your planning. Thanks for watching our short video section, and I hope this brought value to your investment career. These are the basics of real estate goals versus strategies versus tactics. And if you want to learn the ins and outs, click here on the link below. This is my website where we educate people on how to achieve financial freedom through real estate investing. I'm here for you. We're in this journey called life together. Let's enjoy every moment and do what we truly love, whatever that is. And let's create real success for everyone.